You will be amazed by this 2019 Toyota Tacoma. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's an iconic Toyota Tacoma that's ready for work or play. This midsize pickup is ready to tow or hit the trail and comes loaded with driver assistance and safety features. Rugged and capable, it's the right choice for your adventurous spirit. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, fog lamps, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, rear-wheel drive. Get serious about your fun. Get into this rugged Tacoma and answer the call to adventure. We've got the expertise and professionalism to make your purchase and ownership experience the best it can be.